What up, what up? What is up? Oh, YouTube, you haven't got my vision over there. Give me 1 second. Copy this. Paste. Raymond, what up, what up, what up? Back at it, back at it. Let me have a look over here. Looks like Gold just did something just then. Hey Raymond, can you confirm? Can you hear me and a bit of music there on TikTok? What up, what up, what up? Back at it on Gold. TikTok, can you hear music and me at this, like both? Guava, what up, what up? Yeah, bro, day 4 and we got music, bro. Sorry, 1 sec. All right, we got music and we got gold. Shit's popping off, so let's have a little look over here. There is so loud sound in the background. Oh, really? What kind of sound? What kind of sound is it? Seneth, what up, what up? Watching from India, 18 years old. Oh, nice, bro, nice. We're just here on Gold. We're going to see if we can make something happen over here. Actually, I won't use the term make something happen, but I'll say, let's just see what happens. Rash, what kind of sound is there? Because if it sounds shit, I'll probably stop the music. It might be doing something weird. Some music. So are you saying the music's really loud, is it? Let me see if I can turn it down. Raymond said no, it's not. Okay. It's cap. Okay, sweet, sweet. Alright. You're fucking with my head. Alright, let's do a bit of analysis here on Gold and see if we can get something happening over here. We've got young Senth, 18-year-old. Alright, I'm gonna drop back to the daily. Let's just work our way back here real quick. So yesterday's body closed smaller than the day prior, but still bullish. Today we've kind of created a bit of a double top, pushing down. 4 hour on our way down. There was some sort of hey brother, I just wondered why you don't use indicators. I found the most success when I ridded my charts of all indicators and all other things that might be distracting. I just use price action charts. Hubu, what up, what up, what up? I'm a beginner in Forex trading, learning and practicing now. Awesome, man. You're in the right place. Let's see if we can hopefully teach you, or maybe you can learn something today. So look what happened here. We came down and then rejected pretty heavily. We're on our way down now. So this is a 4 hour candle. Let's drop back to the 1 hour. The previous 1 hour from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. just dropped heavy. Closed with a little to no bottom wick. But a heavy breakout there on the 1 hour. It looks like there's a strong... Oh, TikTok, you can't see that. There looks like there's a strong level of support just here on the 1 hour. You can see a lot of 1 hour candles have rejected this area. Gold Bull Trading, what up, what up? Which broker do you use? I don't know, bro. This is Topstep X, it's called. It's a funded 100K challenge account. Now let's drop back to the 30 minute. 15. All right, I'm going to draw up my zones over here right now. So check. This is what I'm going to be looking for. Donald Trump. Morning, bro. What up? Donald Trump is in the building. Okay, so there's a clear level of support here. There's a clear level of support here. Let me change that color. Someone nurse said it's going down. You've got to remember, so look, it's dropped down here, right? And the question is, we know it's entering a heavy rejection zone here to the left. Look how heavy that rejection zone is right here. Right? All here has been very rejected. So yeah, I think it can at least go down to this level and maybe bounce off or break through. Okay, so that's the question. But right now we're just in the middle of an open zone here. So we need some sort of support to be formed before we can look at anything. Donald Trump said my real name is ... I just started investing. What stock should I buy first? Ooh, I think continue to study the markets and trust your own analysis. You'll get there, bro. Just keep studying. Let me do something here. Do you know what PRZ is? No, I don't. I'm going to do something over here I had to do yesterday. But very happy to be here, back on stream, back on the markets, and just the same plan, looking to exercise discipline. That's it. Win, lose, or draw. Gold. So yeah, we're in the middle of just some naked area right now. We need to see how this 15-minute candle forms. Brother, which date you traded in gold? Which date? Which date? I don't. What do you mean? What do you mean? Alright, so a lot of volume here pushing down. When's news? News is in 5 hours, right? What do we got? Unemployment claims? Yeah. Got unemployment claims in 5 hours over here. Oh, someone shared the live. Nice. Thank you, bro. And Donald Trump's dropping some hearts in the chat. I've got some apples, all sorts of things. Amazing stuff. So in order to get a clear indication of a potential buy or sell right now, we need something green to be printed in this area, which will create support. Right? Right now it's just naked in the area, it's just red candles. You don't know what's going to happen. If you decide, oh, I think it's going to go down, then you're making a decision based on what you think, not what the market is showing you. And right now you go, well, it's showing me that it's dropping. Yeah, but it's kind of too late now, because if you enter, where's your stop loss going to be, right? Yes, man, me and my buddy getting into this. Tommy said, nice, awesome. Appreciate that, bro. Yeah, jump on the stream. We'll try and do a bit of analysis here and see if a potential opportunity arises. This has been, so guys, the whole week during the Asia session this week, we've moved 250 pips or so. Today, this is the Asia sesh, just this consolidation range. Just this consolidation range. And right now, we've finally got a bit of a breakout here, but this happened just before London Open, so we'll just have to wait now and see what we can do. Remember, usually the longer the consolidation, the bigger the breakout. And even though this is consolidated, it's kind of consolidated within some sort of channel as well. It hasn't consolidated sideways, it's kind of consolidated on a downward. But let's not get too wrapped up in that either. You taught me such a valuable lesson yesterday, bro. I really appreciate watching your streams. Oh, Hubu, thank you so much, man. What was the lesson? Was it managing risk? Because I took a small L yesterday on the stream and was able to manage it quite nicely. So I think that's the most important lesson you could ever learn in trading, is how to manage losses. Someone in the chat said, please drop down. I'm assuming you're in a cell. This is a 15-minute time frame. I'll be switching between the 15 and the 20-minute time frame. Yeah, that's what I'm doing over here. Too loud music. All right, second person that said that, let me see if I can turn it down a little bit. Does that make a difference? Is that better? Oh, it's changing song now, so it's kind of nearly mute. Nearly silent. Tell me if when the music comes back on, because it's going to restart if it's still too loud. Alright, let's have a look. So 4 minutes here before this 15 closes. 4 minutes before the 15 closes. Let's see if we get any type of signal over here. Yes, yeah, that's right, Donald Trump. I am trading XAU USD. Lesson I learned was, when you feel like you're losing, get out early. Yes. If you've seen your trade operate so many times, like for me, let's say for instance, check this out, right? Let's say for instance, this comes down here. The next one creates a bit of support. And I say to myself, beautiful. I know this is a heavy support level. If the next candle after that can flip and break below that support and then form something like this, and I take a sell there, if I'm now in a sell position and the trade's coming down and then it starts to flip back up, right? My stop loss is up here behind the previous wick and it starts to flip back up, and I think, well, I know this is a high area of support. If it breaks through, the probability of volume pushing it down is pretty strong. If for whatever reason the volume isn't enough to push it down, I could see it starts to weaken up and then breaks its own top wick, even though it's already tried to test up there, then alarm bells go off in my head and say, hey, what I thought and I anticipated to happen isn't happening. Let me lose less money and actually take off 50%, because what I wanted to happen and what I expected to happen isn't happening. And it's the only reason I entered the trade, because I wanted something to happen and it's not happening. So let me save a bit of money here and take off some of it, because I guarantee you guys, when you're in a trade and it's not going your way, you know, and it starts moving towards your stop loss, you know it's going to hit your stop loss. You know it is, but you hope. You're like, oh man, I hope. I'm not. And being in hope is the worst feeling you can be in. Jaden, is trading gold strictly price action or fundamentals? It's whatever you make it, bro. I personally only trade price action, so yeah, that's what I do. Thank you, fair play. Yeah. Facts, in the same trade right now. Oh, you're in some sort of breakout trade? So 1.5 minutes here for this 15 to close. What's the 4 hour look like? Let me look at the 4 hour on Forex. The 4 hours kind of hitting this rejection zone. I'm thinking of bro, how do you take partial profits when trading? It depends what platform you're trading with. History, you can trade it based on fundamentals. Yeah. How are you, History? My dude. I'm not going to lie. I'll see. Let me see how this forms, because I do have a particular entry model which is a bit similar to what's sort of arising, but I'll have to wait. Bro, what do you think of the US 30 today? Nothing. I don't pay attention to anything except gold. I just try to keep my focus purely on the one pair that I trade, and it's just gold, bro. I am bad, history said. Oh, brother. I've got to be honest with you guys. My mindset isn't the best today. So I've been having a bit of success in the Asian session. And I was talking to my friend yesterday. I was like, man, well, she's not a man, it's a girl. And I was like, I've been having success in Asian session, but it's dangerous because my main session is London. If I take an L in the Asian session, then I come into London with a bit of a tilt mindset, right? And that's what happened today. So I'm going to be, completely transparent. I'm a little bit hurt from it. I didn't trade the best. When you kind of take L's and you're like, I know better than this. Like, I didn't perform professional enough, but I'm back here, and I'm just, all you can do is learn from it, right? Okay, gold is selling. Not sure yet. To be honest, I'm looking for a potential buy setup. Potentially. I'll explain what I'm thinking if I see some more things happen over here. Hubu, I totally understand, bro. I blew my account yesterday. Oh. Well, this is the thing, man. Like, so the way that I think about it is every time you make a mistake or an error or something that you know is not in the best interest of your trading plan, you kind of figure that out and then start eliminating things from your trading plan. And it's almost like trial and error. But the issue with trading is the trial and error means you lose money, right? So I'm completely putting my foot down now. I am done trading Asian session. Yes, overall, my profitability is quite well in Asia. But if I take an L and then I move into my main session, which is London, I have a bit of a tilted mindset and it's not worth it. Sick of punk. Every L is just a lesson. Yep, 100%. Lost over $200 in 2 days. History, bro. But I know what I've been doing wrong, focusing on too many pips. Yep. Bro, that's the best thing that you just said then is I know what I did wrong. All right. Which prop firm do you prefer? I prefer Funded Next. There's a link in my TikTok bio to my Discord. I'll be giving away free prop firm accounts, but they haven't got back to me with the credentials yet. They've given me my one, so they're gonna have to give the rest. Because like, what am I gonna do? I need to be able to give it to the community to help. These prop firm whole idea for them giving me an account and giving accounts so I can give them to you guys is to obviously boost their recognition in the industry, right? And like more people know, it's just business. That's how business works. So I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for the other accounts. I'll be on the ball Monday again. I just need a break and refocus on mindset. Hubu, yeah. Write some stuff down as well. Like do whatever you want, but I think that's a really good way to just like get it all out. Like with a pen and paper as well. I think there's a lot of power in a pen and paper, just like, you're physically writing something. Do you help with the passing the prop firm accounts for others? No. I just jump on here and stream and just, and do that, bro. I think, because here's the thing, I understand why your mindset is like that, but think about it like this, bro. If your mind is, I want to get someone to pass my prop account so I can make money when I get funded, right? But the reality is, that's a quick fix and it's not even guaranteed at all. Like, I think you should be looking at trading like a long-term way to extract money, right? I think there's easier ways to get money than getting people to help pass your prop firm challenges. East said, I just threw away $100 this morning because I was too greedy. Bro, I feel your pain. And I think there's a lot of people in the chat that have had some issues today, and all we can do is just journal and just focus on getting better. Like I said before, I'm a little bit emotional today because I traded quite bad this morning during the London Asian session. What am I going to do about it? I'm going to draw the line and say, that's it. I've made a decision through the data. Yes, I'm more profitable in Asia, but it's not worth coming into London with a tilted mindset. So I'm just going to focus on just London. And now I've got a new rule in my book, guaranteed, no more. Before I was kind of dabbling with the idea, oh, I'm having success. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Now I'm like, nah, that's it. Just London. Raymond also had L today. Yeah, we're all feeling it. We're all feeling it today. Because everyone's probably anticipated Asia to move crazy because it has all week. But this has been Asia. Look, nothing. Just consolidation, right? Up, down, fuck around, wick. There's probably millions of dollars just in there right now. So today you'll be telling us what to trade and when to enter. Well, I won't be telling you that, to be honest. I'll just be telling you when I'm doing it. And if you decide to do it as well, that's up to you. Yeah, I ran 10 ticks to 100 then at BE. Yeah. Accumulation, yeah. Oh, look at this history over here. Yeah, I wrote down yesterday and I have 10K funded now. So if I trade on both live and funded, 50, 60 pips. Yeah, that's a bunch, bro. A lot of pips. That's a lot, man. That's good. Yeah, so what I was potentially looking at before, yeah, no, it's not clean enough. I'll tell you something else I've noticed since streaming here. It's like I feel a bit of pressure to take a trade, even though it's not the AA plus, because I'm like, oh, I'm on the stream. There's a lot of people watching. I'm going to tell you guys, if I don't take a trade on stream, there's nothing I can do about it, right? I don't want to feel that pressure, so I'm just 100% going to stick to my plan and not try to feel the pressure of like, oh, there's a lot of people, they probably want to see a trade. Like, no. If I don't trade on stream, too bad. That's my rules, man. Unless I see my setup, I don't need to enter. Oh, SGGOL said, I just recovered from Asian losses. Good, man. I9513, yes, 100K evaluation, yep. Verified gangster, yeah, I finally got some music, bro. I finally got the music. When I put this music on in the ear, I immediately get in the zone because I'm like, okay, now it's time to kind of focus. Let's get our shit together. SGGO, so go stick to your plant rules, bro. Yeah, bro, 100%. I just identified that within myself. I'm like, oh, I can see that, man. I do definitely feel it. Like yesterday I felt a bit of pressure, like, man, being on stream for like 2 and a bit hours, I should probably take a trade. This isn't the best setup, but and it's like, nah, don't do that, Daniel. Just stick to your plans. Ali, you're going to be huge on TikTok. Keep up the morning streams. 3rd check-in this week. Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you. Appreciate that, man. Just, yeah, just keep showing up, hey. I'm also on YouTube right now, so give me 1 second here, you guys. YouTube. Daniel live. I'm dropping this YouTube chat in the TikTok stream. If you don't want to watch on TikTok, it's like a bigger screen and shit on YouTube. Oh, it said the comment wasn't posted because live settings. Oh wow. I guess if you want to look on YouTube anyway, it's just write Daniel Holmes Trades. You can see the whole screen. You don't have to be on TikTok. What's your biggest advice when starting trading? Oh, that's such a big question, right? That's such a big question. Okay, I figured it out. My biggest advice when starting trading is try to recognize what your expectations are. If your expectations are to make money quick or to have success quick, it will hurt and you'll be out of the game twice as quick than when you came in because your expectations didn't align with the reality. Come into it with the expectations of this is a interesting thing here that I could really make something out of this, but I'm going to have to put a lot of work in, not only on the charts, but on myself too. So just be aware of your expectations. What type of funded are you giving away? It's a Forex company funded next. I don't know exactly what size accounts or anything. I just know they're giving me some accounts. Oh, listen to this. History said his advice would be don't focus on the money, focus on the skill set. 100%. That's absolutely right. Yeah. Oh, Josh said I'd done that. Start with demo. Done that. I mean, with candlesticks and how to learn to read them better. To learn to read candlesticks, obviously one, just time in the charts, but two, just put the work in. Go on YouTube and just like start to research each candlestick, and especially how they work in conjunction with others and things like that. TikTok, if you're watching this and you're not following, drop a follow, my dudes. Live streaming here every day. We've got NFP tomorrow. I'll live stream NFP and go full margin on the news. Oh, shit the bed, man. All right, so this candle's about to close. This will be a 30-minute closure, I believe. Yep. So we've created some bit of support down here now. 4 minutes before this close, so there's a lot can happen in 4 minutes. Let's see. Bro, by the end of my stream yesterday, I had like 600 followers, new followers on TikTok from the stream. Redonkulous. It's really good freaking just being around traders, man. It's sick. But I got so many scam messages in my DMs now. So many. They all say the same thing. Like, I love your broadcast. I love, like, let me help. But I was like, oh, okay, that's pretty cool. And then I realized everyone was saying the same thing. It's like, bro, at least use a different script. Okay, so what's going on here? We've had a bit of support. What's the 4 hour look like? What's the 4 hour look like on Forex? Same shit. Same shit. Cool. Is the website link not coming through, History? There's a book as well. I read a book, I think it's called The Candlestick Bible. It might even be on YouTube as a video as well. I think The Candlestick Bible is like one of the top books to like understand candlesticks. How can I get the prop firm account you suggested? On TikTok, there's a link in my bio to my Discord. If you just jump in the Discord, any day now I'm getting the credentials, and then in the Discord I'll just be like, what up guys, here's a giveaway. There's a giveaway channel, like little channel in the Discord. I'll be like, hook some brothers up. It's pretty much that simple. Pretty much that simple. All right, so we've got a minute and a half here for this closure. A minute and a half for a closure here. We're just approaching this really strong rejection zone, so I've got to really use my mind about what's happening here, because to be brutally honest, not a lot's happening. What's this range? From this candle closure to this support. Oh, that's like a 45 pip range. Wow, okay. So here's something that might be interesting, that I might be interested in. If you know, this 15 here closes and the next one can kind of wick up and close below this minor support here, the next one after that wick up and then continue down, I'll look to take a sell there, anticipating a continuation down to this next support zone. That's something I'll be looking at right now. So let's see what happens over here. But keep in mind, look how heavy of a rejection zone it is on the 30 and the 1 hour. All right. So my only like thing that's given me confidence to break through that is that we're at a very high volume time. Yeah, we'll have to see how these candles form. How many trades do you normally take in a day? 2. 2 is perfect. Two is perfect. All right, so that 30 is pushed up and closed with no top wick as well. We'll just have to wait over here. Bro, do you know what I'm going to do one day? Like in the not so far future? I'm going to do a 24-hour trading stream from Asia Open to New York close and actually trade every session. I think that'll be wild on TikTok. That'll fucking go crazy, I reckon. See if I can blow an account or actually pass it. It'd be funny. Fuck, my brain would be fried by the end of it. Another potential setup that could arise over here that I might be looking for is if this candle closes small body like this and the next one closes something like this, I'll look for a sell around here, back down, anticipating that continuation back down for a pullback. Because we're moving down right now, so this is me kind of anticipating the fact that, okay, if a downtrend and an uptrend moves in zigzags, pullbacks moves down like that, and this is one of the pullbacks, now we're going to continue back down, cool, I'll enter on the pullback. That's like the trade thesis, really. So we'll have to see. How come you don't do signals? I think like you'll be massive following from it as you have. Because I've got to be honest with you guys, signals is kind of like, it's a bit gambly. It really is. Because when I'm in a trade, every little tick, I'm watching and managing my position, right? If it ticks up and it's doing something, I'm about to take off 50%, it just happened in like a second, I can't be quickly in the chat, oh, you guys, quickly take off 50%. Like, yeah, it's very kind of, I feel like it's really risky because it's like it hits a zone and then they're like, all right, buy or sell. And I know people probably do say take off 50% or take partials, but it's always going to be a bit of a delay. Very good analysis for your setups. Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, I'm going to be cautious and very aware of and strict on my parameters. Like I know my setups, and I don't want to feel the pressure of TikTok and YouTube to take a trade that's not in complete accordance with my plan. So let's just wait it out over here. Patience pays, patience pays. I know it's annoying, but I just always go back to the mindset of what would a professional trader that's been doing this for 15 years do. One sec, guys. 10 minutes over here. What's happening? Very tricky day today. Very tricky. Got to be very aware of FOMO and just getting caught in some of this shit over here. You see what happens when 1 hour candles close with no to small top wick, bottom wick, or top wick? It will generally a lot of the time reverse. Because it's like you need candles like this to create range. It gives like confidence for the next ones to kind of travel down. You'll even see when a candle closes with no wick at the bottom or top, the next one is like kind of hesitant. You can see the hesitation in it if it wants to continue or not. And a lot of the time it flips back. And you can see like where this line is, obviously that's all-time high there. On the way to it, it's just trash, bro. There's wicks, there's resistances, there's all sorts of drama to get up past that point. That's why I have my support resistance area up here, and I'll need a candle to break out of that area. I don't want to catch trades on the way up. It's too messy. I'll be honest, we're in a tricky spot here, to be honest. Like, this whole range here kind of sucks dongs. This whole range sucks dongs. Because on the left-hand side here, it's a heavy rejection. So if you're trying to catch a sell from here down, you know that, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles couldn't do it. 6 fucking candles. And you want to be like, no, this one's going to do it? It's a risky game, right? So now that I'm saying this out loud, I think the smart thing to do would be wait for a breakout of either this zone, or if I get that reversal that I drew up before here, I'll take that back down. Other than that, the professional thing to do is going to be to wait for one of these zones to be broken out of. Just hit TP1 and gold buy. Ooh, do you trade any other pairs, mate? No, I only focus on gold, brother. I only focus on gold. And we're doing a bit of analysis here and realizing there's some issues. There's some issues to I found a nice buy 20 minutes ago at 2778. 277. Is that 4x? 2778. 277. I swear to God, all you guys in the chat, whenever something like this happens, I get messages in the chat saying, yeah, I caught a buy there. And it's like, who catches a buy right here? Like, if you did, good on you. But who sees a candle that's moving down heavily and goes, I'm going to buy now? Right? I'm not being a hater. I'm just trying to like figure it out. Chris, what up? Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Had a rough day in Asia, to be honest. But I'm showing up. I'm showing up. And I'm showing up. No, it's a gamble simple. Yeah, I didn't want to say it. I didn't want to say it, but I get it a lot in the chat. It's a fake out. Yeah, I understand. It's a fake out now, but when it was happening, it wasn't a fake out, right? You don't know a fake out until it pushes back. A fake out only becomes relevant once it actually closes back. Then you're like, oh, that was a fake out. If you're trying to anticipate a fake out, you're like, oh, it's moving down. I think it's going to flip right here in the middle of an open range. Yeah, I don't know anything. You want to trade? Nah, brother, I'm just waiting for a setup over here. I'm waiting for a setup. This one's got 5 minutes to close. If this were to flip and leave a really decent wick, then I'll be getting the setup that I drew up before starting to present itself. But right now it's pushing up. Quick $400 scalp on that bullish candle. Oh shit, son. Yeah, I know that previous candle did drop very heavy and suspiciously. It's a downward trend. Yeah, it is a downward trend. It was, it does still look like it's in some sort of channel. But let's not get all conspiracy theorist. Let's not get all conspiracy theorist. Good old conspiracy. Does anyone know? Has anyone seen that video called Destiny's Schizo Arc? No one's probably gonna know, but it's fucked up. There's like this AI shit now. It's all anyway. I don't want to get into it. It's news. We might have a peace deal soon. Yeah, we got news in. What's the time now? Yeah, 5 hours. 5 hours over here. So looks like this one's rejecting a little bit. Oh, thank you for the rose, Carl. You are a G. Dead internet theory. Bro, you go down the rabbit hole and it's just like, oh, man, I can't do it. I don't want to. And it's like, if this, yeah, some of these guys, I don't even know what to say. I'll pull up the video one day, but all right, so like I drew up before, I'll draw it up again. I don't like that this doesn't have a bottom wick, I'll be honest. Let's have a look. If this were to flip back and close something like this, small body, the next one wick up, the next one wick up, and also close small body, and then the next one wick up and start to push, I'll take a sell there, anticipating that if we are in a downtrend, which we identified, and we know that a downtrend moves like this, pullbacks, has small pullbacks on its way down, then I'm anticipating that this is one of those pullbacks and that's going to continue down. And I need to see a particular set of candles printed next to each other to give me the signal that this is a good time to enter. And right now, that signal would be this candle closing with a smaller body than the previous one. That's one of the things on the checklist that I need ticked. If that doesn't happen, that's a really crucial part of this entry model. Then I'm like, it's probably not going to happen. I might have to look for something different. The candle is rejecting. I used an EMA. That is a red. So that is a good sign for a pullback. Okay, interesting. I've joined your Discord. Oh, my dude. Link in the bio. TikTok, link in the bio. Join my Discord. I'm giving away prop accounts. Hey, man, you know how you have to pay for them? You don't have to anymore. I'm giving them. I'm not giving that many, but yeah, I've got some. They've given me one as well, and they've given me some like discount codes and be like, get people to use this code and you get a percentage. I'm like, I don't know if I give a shit about that. I'll just give them. Let me just give them the accounts. I don't want to be like, dude, use my code. Maybe I will one day, but I don't know. I don't know. You guys, if you're on TikTok and you want to watch and like catch a trade with me or whatever, I'm on YouTube as well right now with the big screen. You can see it on a proper screen. It's Daniel Holmes Trades. I'm still waiting on one. All right, I've got a minute here for this 15 to close. See what's up. See what it does. See what it does. TikTok, spam the likes, my dudes, and drop some follows. I'll be on here every day, man. If you don't follow, you might miss. And then what? Then you're gonna be depressed, and so am I. 40 seconds over here. Yeah, like I said, man, I really needed this candle body to print smaller than the prior one. these are the small clues that we like get for indications of what could happen next. And that's a pretty crucial sign that I need. Time frame, 15-minute right here. I'll always be switching between the 15 and the 30. Oh, the likes are going up. The follows are going up. Thank you, gang. Thank you, gang. Have you had a prop payout with the prop firm you're with? No, this is still the challenge phase. So this is a 100K challenge phase. I'm doing it all live. You are the best, mate. You share a lot of knowledge, which helps me take much. Oh, Infinite Soul. Thanks heaps, bro. I appreciate that a ton. Thanks heaps, man. That's the plan. Just jump on here every day and just do our thing and just exercise discipline, exercise a game plan, and just try to get better every day. Win, lose, or draw. I get better just by like trading with you guys live. You guys drop a lot of gems in the chat and shit as well, so it's good. When do we buy or sell? Well, I did a bit of an analysis over here before and said we're actually in a bit of a danger zone. I'm going to be brutally honest. We're in a bit of a danger zone. Oh, this is sorry, that was Forex. Here, let me change this color to orange or some shit. No, I'll change this gold to orange. I'm into blue. Oh, there we go. We're in a danger zone. So check this out. I know YouTube can see, but this zone right here is dangerous to trade in, right? Because if we go, okay, here's the lowest level of support. If I get some sort of break below that, I can anticipate a continuation down and catch a trade to here, right? But if you look to the left-hand side, it is nothing but fucking wicks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rejection wicks here. So what's the probability on the 7th way down that it's going to break through, right? Do you want to play that game, or do you want to wait for clean fucking range to the left-hand side? And then if we go, well, this one's pushing up now, maybe I'll catch a trade upwards to this all-time high area. But then you go, what's to the left? Well, there's a bit of resistance here, here, here. There's wick, wick, wick. It's disgusting. It's not clean range. You want clean range to the left-hand side like this. Look how clean that is. It's just blue, blue, blue. It's clean. When a blue and red candle gets printed next to each other, now it's created minor support. There's minor resistance being created all the way up here. So my thesis is the smartest thing to do, I believe personally, is to wait for a breakout of either here or here. I just gave my complete breakdown and mindset of what I'm thinking of, and I think that makes sense. It makes sense. My only thing was maybe fucking to catch this pullback down here. And there could still be an opportunity, but right now it's not looking too good. So we'll have to wait and see how this next candle closes. Elliot, nice analysis. Thanks, bro. I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm personally thinking, and that just seems to make sense to me. I think the smartest thing to do would be either wait for that, or let's see if we get some sort of pullback here. If this is the 15, yeah, let's see if we get some sort of signal here. So yeah, we'll wait. We'll have to wait for this candle to close. That's gonna be the smart thing to do. TikTok, drop a follow if you're a human. Drop a follow. So how about that? How about that? Oh, someone sent a bunch of roses. Thank you. Lemon Butters. What time frame are you watching? This is a 15. I'll constantly be on the 15 or the 20 or the 30 minute. 15 or the 30 minute. I'll switch between the high time frames. So let's have a quick look over here just to stay on top of the high time frames. This is the 4 hour. The 4 hour wick down. Interesting thing is this is a pretty heavy 4 hour wick zone. It's still got an hour and a bit before it closes. The 1 hour closed small body and rejected up. 30 minutes small body to no body rejected up. And that's where we're at right now. We do understand that we're in some sort of downtrend here, but we're trying to look for the right type of signal to anticipate this is a pullback. For a continuation down. And you can look at it right now and be like, man, look, it totally looks like it's just pulling back now and it's going to go back down. Maybe. But the issue is it hasn't given a clear indication. I know what candles need to be printed for me to take a confident pullback trade. And right now, it's not it. We had 3 green candles closed with progressively bigger bodies, which generally would mean there's more volume, right? You'd want to see the bodies getting smaller like this. Smaller bodies indicate a lack of volume pushing in that direction. Now we're like, okay, now we could start to turn around. I personally don't. Do you manage accounts? No, I don't. I don't manage accounts. And I think you should keep learning trading so you can manage it. Oh, a big ghost just popped up on the screen. I don't know what that means, but thank you, Chris. Holy shit, I've never seen that. That was wild. Do you leverage long? What do you mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? 10 minutes before this hour closes. 10 minutes for the hour to close. The previous 30 pushed up close. No top wick. This one attempted to push up. It's got a small body right now. The 15s are printing bigger bodies with no small wicks. There's no clear indication right now, guys. There's nothing. It's not telling us anything clear. You want a story where you're like, oh, I can see what you're trying to tell me, right? Right now, we're not really getting that. We're not really getting that. Hey, check this out. So, I think this was a trade I was actually going to take the other day. I'm looking for something similar to this, right? That's probably not the best example, but at least it's given a bit more clues. You want a trade to give you clues on the pullback. Will it drop or go up like yesterday? The only person that knows that is God himself. So I'm just trying to get a little piece of the pie on the way, whatever direction it wants to go. I just want to get my little slither. Seven minutes over here for this 15. Yeah. Don't know yet. No, I entered a cell. Yeah. Like, obviously, my feeling, like, there's things that are in like some sort of confluence is like, yeah, I feel like it's going to go down. There are things that are indicating it's going to go down. But in terms of the actual entry, there's not enough things just yet, for me personally. I'm in a cell near all-time highs in the Asia session. Oh, nice. Nice. No, I'm not in a trade just yet, guys. I've talked about what I'm looking for and stuff like that, so I'm just waiting now. 5 minutes for this 15 to close, and Too big 04014. USD still shows the bullish sign. We should see gold sell more. Okay. Too big is on the side of buys. Yeah, definitely anticipating a bit of volume because there was such minimal volume in the Asian session. Oh, what the hell? TikTok just glitched out. Your live was discontinued due to inactivity? The fuck? I'm gonna have to go live again. Yeah, I don't know why it went down. I just opened it back up though. It said it went down because of due to inactivity. It's like, what, bro? That's so weird. Alright, well I'm back up, TikTok. Guess you just got banned on TikTok. Had to rush here. Oh, too big. Bro, I don't know what happened. It said because of inactivity. I was like, what do you mean, bro? We're on here fucking making money moves, my dude. That's annoying. Bro, I don't know. It fucking just cut me out. Like, it fully just... Yeah, that was annoying. There was like 100 people there nearly as well. Sorry. Yeah, recently TikTok takes down when you show your charts. It said due to inactivity though. And I was like, I don't know what that's meant to mean. TikTok straight back on the freaking on the spam and the likes. Thanks guys, appreciate it. Yeah, TikTok just kicked me, but I'm back. I'm back with a vengeance. All right, so a minute and a half here for this 15 to close. Oh shit. The 1 hour. Oh, this is a 1 hour closure as well, nearly over here. So this 1 hour closes in 15 minutes. So it's come down. It's created some sort of 1 hour support. Gold has been moving horrible. Bro, it's been horrible today. I said earlier in the chat I had a bit of a rough session in Asian, like I would assume a lot of people would. Nowhere near as many likes as yet before. I know, bro. Bro, I had like 100 people watching and it just fucking cut out. My thumbs are sore now. Oh, I appreciate the spam and you're a G. You are a G. Yeah, we've had some really just shit movement. Like you said, man, it's been moving really shit. So I went over my analysis before, what I'm going to be looking for. So I'll just hang out here for a sec. Other pairs have been moving weird as well. Oh, interesting. Oh, History's going to share some analysis in the Discord. Yeah, I'll pull it up. Thanks, TikTok. Yeah, I just got kicked. TikTok just kicked me off. They must have known that we're going to get too much profits here and called the liquidity provider and said, get him off TikTok. Get him off. And they just fucking banned me, bro. But I'm back. No, they didn't ban me. It said due to inactivity. I'm like, what do you mean, bro? We are really doing the thing. Do you watch any good series or films at the moment? I just started watching The 100. Would highlight. Oh, I don't know that. No, I watch nothing. I only watch the charts or trading content. I'm just locked in on trading. I'm a bit of an obsession right now. All right, I've got to make a decision over here. I have to make a decision over here. The 30 close like that. It's just not fucking clean enough, man. It's just not clean enough. I was drawing up before what I was potentially looking for a little sell off a potential pullback here. You know, this one to wick up and continue down and take a sell about there. But these candles just didn't print how I would like, man. So I'm going to have to be patient. How long will you buy for? How long will it buy for? How long will English be the language that is desirable in the chat? No, I don't know, bro. I'm just waiting over here. Thanks for jumping back on TikTok, people. Yeah, TikTok just, for whatever reason, just randomly kicked me. They know we're onto something over here. They know we're crushing it. I shared it in the Discord. All right, let's have a look. Their history. Oh, can I save this as an image? Bro, why does it always do that? Okay, so you're anticipating some sort of bounce. Bounce. You've marked out that rejection zone that's down there a bit further. Yeah, to be honest, I've got a similar kind of thesis overall. Now I guess it's just a matter of finding the right entry point. I'll be honest, this looks fucking... This would have been exact... My sell stop would have been right below where this candle wick is right here. I just didn't see what I wanted to see with the two previous candles, and I just can't take a position because it's sort of what I wanted to see. It needs to be exactly what I want to see. What happened? I just got the boot. Yeah, I know, bro. TikTok just randomly said it's over due to inactivity. And I was like, what, bro? We're active, man. We're doing the thing out here. And I just stopped this stream. Sorry about that. Had a lot of people freaking on there as well. Too much going on with the chart you just showed. Keep it simple. Said someone in the chat there. History. I think he's got a few indicators and things like that. All right, so I would have just been triggered into sell right there with my imaginary trade. That is not an A+ setup. Let's see if I would have got taken out if I entered it. Bearish until what time? Oh, someone's in a sell right now, Kevy. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just gonna see how this candle closes, but like I said, this range here is just deadly, bro. Deadly. There's been no, like, look at this. This has been this whole area has been all today. there's been not one clean opportunity to get like a clean move, right? It's like if you entered a sell here, okay, maybe that would have been the absolute best time to do it. Other than that, it's just zigzag. It would have been very tough. TikTok, if you haven't already, drop a subscribe. I mean, drop a follow. Follow the stream, my dudes. Yeah. So this is the first opening of the new 1 hour. Lord, how you doing today, bro? Been up long? I'm doing good, bro. I'm doing really good. I spoke in the chat before to the chat that I admittedly had a bit of a rough session in Asia, right? And you know how in trading the whole idea is to kind of constantly adjust your rules and your game plan to keep refining to a point where you've got it down to a T, where you're like, this is my exact set of rules and this is going to guarantee the most success if I stick to these rules. And today I had to put my foot down and say enough is enough. I can't ever trade the Asia sesh again. I have to stick to just London. You are the best. Thank you, brother. You are the best as well. Thank you for being here. All right, so the trade that I would have taken potentially is looking like it's dropping a little bit here. It might work today, but in the long run it won't. That's why I didn't take it. Because if you think of your entry models, like think of you guys of your own entry models where you're like, there's a particular set of candles that you're looking for in order for you to take a position. You've got to think like, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things ticked off in order for me to want to take that trade. 1, we're in a trend. Cool. 2, there's it's a time of high volume. Cool. London Open. 3, I wait for a candle to close. 4, I need a big body, whatever the setup is. And 5, it needs to be blah, blah, blah. If you're only getting 3 of those things ticked and the other 2 aren't ticked, then you have to make an educated decision of going, okay, do I want to take this trade even though it's showing me some of the signals I need, but not all? Or do I want to wait for a clearer opportunity because the market's not going anywhere? If I just stay patient, a good setup will arise. So that's what I did here. I said, you know what? It's ticked 3 of my things, but I know how the market's moved all day, and I don't want to take that risk today. So I'm going to wait for an opportunity for 4 to 5 of my checklist ticks to be ticked. And that's what I'm going to do over here now. I entered because I think liquidity. Lord said Asia can be cruel. A lot of unexpected moves. Yeah. So what are your conditions? Right now, I've given this analysis a couple times here. Check this out. I'm going to do this real quick because people that have been watching are probably annoyed, but look to the left-hand side here. If you're looking at sells, look what happened to the left-hand side here. Wick, 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 wick. A very high rejection zone over here. And on the way up, there's a lot of fucking resistance zones. The smart thing to do would be to wait for a break below this level here or this level here. Waiting for a candle to close below one of these levels. I was anticipating some sort of pullback here to take a sell down here, but I didn't get all 5 of my boxes ticked in order to take that sell. So I did what I think professional traders should do and just wait until you get an opportunity for all the signals to be ticked. Real B2K, what up? What up? Doing good, bro. TikTok just kicked me off before, so I'm back at it again. I'm back. I'm saying, TikTok, how dare you ban me? I'm back. 5 minutes for this closure. This would have been a great entry point if I got to see what I wanted a bit more there. Sickle Punk. I love how we're getting every day new all-time highs, because that's a clear indication of buying again in the future. Yeah, it's definitely pushing, man. MZ55, do you trade any other pairs apart from gold? No, I just stick to gold. I used to trade a few different pairs, but I found the most success when I just stuck to gold. I focused on one pair and one session time, so I can know exactly how this pair moves at this time. Do you have a strategy? Yes. Yeah. Is it safe to go ahead with a buy? Brother, look how it's moving. This is the mindset of a lot of beginner traders. They go, is this a good opportunity to take a buy? What is this candle currently doing? It's pushing down. You know why people want to do that? Because they want to get it at a cheap price. You think, if it's going down and I can get my buy there, then if it rejects, I'm in a really good position here for it to push up. It's like, no. Just wait. Just wait. Are you from Melbourne? No, I'm from Brisbane. Would have been a great opportunity for me to take that sell there. It's just unfortunate that I just didn't get what I wanted to see enough. Because if you get a closure below this range here now, you know, there's a pretty decent probability of a continuation down. I might still look at that. Let's see how this closes over here. Let's see how this 15-minute closes. It's got 3 minutes. I'm also waiting for a breakout before entering, because since yesterday, gold has been held at that. Yeah, I think we should... You waiting for a liquidity sweep? No, I'm just waiting for a candle to close below a key area of support or resistance. I'm planning on going to Australia for a few months. Where would you recommend to go? Brisbane. No, I don't swing trade at all. Manpreet 7.6 is getting bought. Oh. TikTok, drop a follow if you haven't already. Jump on the stream every day. We've got NFP tomorrow. I'm jumping on NFP to trade the news. I might just for a bit of entertainment put a sell stop and a buy stop. Maybe just for a bit of gambling entertainment, and just really fucking ruin my reputation as a gamble trader. Only thing I'm terrified is spiders and crocs. Nah, you won't see any crocs. You might see some spiders though. How many times do you go live a day? Just one during the Asian session. NFP should buy after today sells. Fucking who knows, bro? Who knows? So check this out. There's obviously a clear level of, you know, minor support here. I might look at taking a sell. If this candle closes below that area, the next one wicks up, give me a decent wick, and then flips. I might look at taking a sell about there. If your candle closes below key points with, oh, just there what I just drew up then, I'll be looking at something like that. I'll need that wick back up just to test that area again. And I can also put my stop loss above that. No, this is the London session right now. Asian session was a few hours ago. TikTok, spam the likes, bro. I was live before, I was crushing it, and then fucking TikTok just randomly glitched out. So I'm back at it. Asian session ended. Thanks for the info, no dramas, bro. All right, 40 seconds over here. 40 seconds for this closure. I'm going to quickly jump over to Forex and see what the 4-hour candle's looking like. 4-hour candle closed in 45 minutes. We're finally getting some red candles printing over here. Interesting. Very interesting. Thanks for the follow, gang. Thanks for the follows. All right, nice. I actually really like how that looks. Let me just have a quick look on Forex. Would have liked a bit more of a wick, but beggars can't be choosers. I'll definitely be looking for a sell here. I need a wick up first. If I don't get a wick up, something like that, I won't take the sell. So let's see what happens. What market, bro? This is gold. I'm on futures. Apple tomorrow. What are your thoughts? Apple? What does Apple mean? Apple tomorrow. What are your thoughts? I like apples. Drop a follow TikTok or I'll kill you. This is not the stock market. No, this is futures. We're trading gold over here. Ah, you're talking about Apple, like trading Apple. No, I don't trade stocks. NFP looking at sells. Oh, you've already identified what you're looking for at NFP. Damn, I would never. I wouldn't actually seriously trade. I wouldn't seriously trade NFP. Like, you know what I mean? No one really knows what direction it's going to shoot up or down. I might put a sell stop or a buy stop. Just be a fucking gambler, but maybe. Just for a bit of entertainment. I may leave trading at that. I'm up 600, bro. If you're already thinking like that, 100% just call it a day. Call it a day. Because you don't want to give your profits back. It's the end of the day. You've already had some good wins. I'd call it a day. Maybe just watch, but don't trade. NFP is literally a casino. 100% it is. So I might take a gamble on roulette. NFP roulette. Like I said, I would need this to test up here. Oh. How long have you been trading for? 2.5 years, brother. 2.5 years. I'm on a Topstep 100K challenge account. And I'm trading it all live. Lola live. Indirect. Yeah, I've really got to figure out why TikTok kicked me before. Because if I were to do like some sort of 24-hour stream and trade every session just for a laugh, I wouldn't want to get kicked like that again. Bro, could you imagine that? A stream, I'm just here, like I'll have my account, I'll just show it all and be like, let's see if I can pass this account in a 24-hour trading fucking session. I'm still on phase 3 of my funded. Oh, 3 phases. That's pretty wild. Yes, exactly. Real B2K said, mostly I wait for NFP to play out, then I follow the reversal of the market against NFP. Yeah, like, I don't know about following the reversal and shit like that, but I definitely do this. I think that's a smarter thing. Wait for it to play out and then capitalize on the volume that happens after. You need to have on your screen not asking for signals. For TikTok or just for people being annoying and asking for signals? Oh, and it's not financial advice. Do you really think is that really true? Do you actually have to have like warning type shit? That's annoying. How much? The screen's already got so much fucking shit on it. Like, there's so much shit on TikTok's live screens. Hey, like, don't need any of it. But yeah, I guess I'll have to figure some way to put that word in. I think. I don't even know how to put text. I'll figure it out, I guess. Oh. Put some text below your cam or above the chart. Yeah, okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I could have some sort of floating window or something, I guess. Yeah, I'll have to do that. Yeah, I know how I can do that, actually. Yeah, I know. Yep, alright. Huh, that's interesting. I wonder if that's why I got kicked. Okay, so we're broken below this minus support. It hasn't retested up here. It just kind of pushed, but there's not much volume just yet pushing it down. It's been open for 6 minutes. Let's see if it wants to try to test up one more time and then flip, and that'll be a really good signal to take a sell there if it comes back down. TikTok, is that music an alright sound, like level? Is it too loud or too quiet? It's good. Okay, sick. Thanks heaps. Sick. Fuck yeah. Alright, what's going on over here? Yeah, because this 30 minutes still open as well. So here's the thing, the same concept applies because we have a 30-minute support here. That support, that minus support is actually 30-minute support. So if this one closes like, somewhere below and the next one can wick up and push down, the same principle applies, right? I'll still take a sell there. It's actually a stronger confirmation. I would actually rather this to happen. I would rather this to wait around here for the next 7 minutes to anticipate that happening. Did you take any trades yet? No, still waiting over here. Waiting for a clean setup. Bozza. Dan, time frame please. This is a 30 right here. Let's switch back to the 15 and then switch to 30. Yeah, I'm going to watch this on the 30 for a minute. Yeah. I'm in a sell. Should I hold? Trust your analysis, my dude. Trust in oneself. TikTok, if you're not following me, drop a follow or I will find you and I will do something. Alright, nice. You guys got to remember, I'm going to be on it, like, it's still dangerous to try to wait for this sell opportunity purely based on these 10,000 30-minute candle wicks here to the left. The only kind of good thing about it is if this is the support that's been shown on the 15-minute chart, these wicks actually did come down and hit it at least, right? It's just they rejected off. So if you have your take profit here, it's okay if it rejects up because you'll already be out of the trade. Do you not think it's going to reject off the previous resistance? Yeah, like I just kind of drew up then, I think. But like, again, if your take profit's there, it doesn't matter if it rejects off here because it's already going to hit your take profit, right? So 5 minutes here for this 30. Hopefully you can get some sort of close. I'm going to draw this here because that's the support, minor support. Oh, yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Might leave without us. That's all right. Again, what have I said this whole time? My overall thesis, like the thing that I'm most confident and wanting, is a closure below this zone. That's where I think we're really going to drop. But there's a potential opportunity here, so let's just wait it out. Yeah. Four-hour candle closes in 30 minutes as well. Very interesting. TikTok. There's a link in my bio. Discord. Join it. Join the Discord. I'm linked with a prop firm. We've got some prop firm accounts to give away, so join the Discord. And drop some likes and follows. Please, I'm homeless, man. Literally homeless. Alright, this isn't looking too bad. When's the giveaway happening? Bro? I don't know. I would have thought I already would have it by now. It has to be within the next few days, to be honest. It has to be within the next few days. Donald Trump, hey bro, what up, what up, what up, Donald? The real DT. Still with you. Yeah, I got kicked before. TikTok kicked me before. So. Alright, so my mindset right now is thinking, okay, there's this minus support here. The 30-minute is a stronger confirmation than the 15. Cool, that's good news. If this closes below the 30, below this support, which it looks like it is, cool. But I'd like to see a wick up on the next candle opening up and then flip from there and potentially push down. I'll take a sell around there. But then there's other things like I talked about before. You want to have a set of boxes that you need ticked. One of the boxes that I don't have ticked here is the fact that the 15, well, before, if it pushes back up a little bit, it's going to be closing with a small body, right? And we know that small bodies indicate a lack of volume. Let's hit 10k likes. Yes, let's hit 10k likes, bro. I got like 30 something last night. There's probably more. There's probably would have got more, but TikTok kicked me off before. All right, we've got a minute here before this candle closes, so let's see what happens. If it pushes down, then we just wait for it to hit this next zone. But if it can hang out here for a minute, we'll be on the money. Why'd they kick you? Bro, I don't know. So some people in the chat were saying that I need to put some sort of like warning, like this isn't financial advice and shit like that. Oh, thank you for the likes, TikTok. Thanks for the spam there. Legends, legends. Yeah, so they kicked me. I just got randomly kicked. They knew we're onto something. They know we're on the profits over here. Donald Trump shared your live. Oh, thank you, Donald. You're a G. You're a G. You are a G. You are the chosen one. Okay. We've got 8 seconds. Come on, reject up a little bit, bruh. See what it looks like over here. What's this range? Let's have a look. It's not too bad, I guess. So let's see if we can get a wick up here now. I want some sort of wick up. And then a flip back bearish. And I'll look at taking some sort of sell there. That's what I'll be looking at. $11K likes. Damn, son. Could you imagine if TikTok didn't kick me before? We'd be at... I don't even know. Chris shared the live heaps. Thanks, G. Mad. The more people that we get in here, the more people that can watch me take an L. TikTok has strict policies. Yeah, I guess that's what it is, hey. All right, let's have a look here. This is looking pretty juicy. I'm going to put a sell stop about there. Sell stop. Sell stop. 19 mini lots. Yeah, this is gold. Daniel, is this supposed to be us watching you trade? Daniel, is this supposed to be us watching you trade? Let me think about my answer. I'm going to say yes. That's what this is supposed to be. I think I'm going to say yes. Gang, drop some follows. There's like 1 trillion people, but you aren't following. I'm going to be streaming every day, especially tomorrow, NFP day. Follow so you don't miss the stream there on NFP. All right, let me just do a bit of a flick through the time frames, make sure I'm not missing any red flags. The 1 hour, the 30-minute. I understand that there's some shit going on over here on the 30-minute. And the 15 looks pretty juicy. All right, well, let's just take the trade, accept the risk. It ticks enough of my boxes for me to want to be in this trade. And that's what's up. So I'm going to put my stop loss now above where this wick was. And I'm going to put my take profit down here at that support level, right? And what I'm going to do now is if this flips back bullish, I'm going to look to manage my position and see if I can start to take off some, 50%. Because I'm anticipating volume now to push this down. And if I'm anticipating volume to push it down, that it should have no business kind of flipping back up and fucking around up there, right? It's going to bleed, someone said. I hope so. I hope so, because I'm in sells, my dude. TikTok, drop a follow for profits. Drop a follow for profits, man. The liquidity provider literally just called me and said, if you get people on TikTok to follow you, then we will push it down. So that's what's up. I've got my order ready over here. If it starts to flip too much bullish, I've got my order ready to take off 50%. Take profits before it stops you out. Why? I took a position here anticipating some sort of continuation down. Why would I take profits if I'm trying to take a sell? Good afternoon. Oh, Laser, what up, my dude? What up? Good to see you back, man. Good to see you back. we're over here in a trade and just watching closely to see if I can manage it correctly, just in case it doesn't want to play ball. What's your TP and stop loss? Well, it's too late now if you're looking to enter, but my stop loss is 2791 and my TP is 2786. Bro, what's your broker? I'm not sure. This is a 100k Topstep account. Are you doing XAU USD or futures? Futures gold. Futures gold. I'm gonna sell right now, and I'm about to piss my pants. All right, I'm gonna do a real quick piss. Don't you dare go up and hit my stop loss, mofo. I'll be back in a sec. All right, we're on. Dan, wait for a newer low and higher, then sell if it's... Oh, it's too late now. Oh, shit the bed. Shit the actual bed. Let's see what's going on over here. How long till this candle closes? This is 15. Got 8 minutes over here. It's looking pretty good. Where's your TP? Down here somewhere at 2768. If you jump on the 15-minute chart, that's where you can see the candle closures. That's where my TP is. Down there, around there. That's where my TP is, guys. But I don't suggest you try to copy this trade because it's too late. It's too late to apologize. Stop loss is 2691. This is not a financial advisor account or anything like that. I'm just doing it, and if you want to look and follow or whatever, that's up to you. But I'm just chilling over here. What's the difference between Forex and futures? Oh. I probably not the best person to try to explain it, to be honest. I'll be brutally honest with that. So like I've said a bunch of times, my main priority with this trade is to keep an eye on it and manage the trade. So look for opportunities to take off 50% if it starts to go against me. Just start to look for opportunities to lose less money, really. Yeah, this is gold. Okay, fair enough. So if you don't mind me asking, why do you tend to trade futures rather than Forex? I actually rather Forex, but the FTMO changed their leverage amount in Australia, so it was really difficult to take proper, like, decent amount of trade, like decent sized trades. So I said, you know what, I'm just going to switch to futures. I wanted to try futures for a while, and here I am. Daniel, how long have you been in the game for? 2.5 years, brother. 2.5 years. 2.5 bangers. TikTok, I'll be live streaming every day for the London session. Drop a follow so you can jump on the stream, yo. Drop a follow, my dudes. Bro, the leverage, they changed the leverage in Australia to 1 to 30, bro. That's wild. That's so fucking bad. So bad. Yeah, just in Australia. Australia is actually really quite strict with trading, you know, like compliance and shit like that. All right, so now I'm going to watch it a bit more close here and potentially take off 50% shortly. I'm going to look to take off 50% shortly. We've got 4.5 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. I would like to anticipate a bit more, a bit more volume. The 4-hour is closing in 19 minutes. Yeah. So let's just wait and see. How much are you up? 5,000? No. That's a really good, clean way to explain it. Futures is spot price. Forex is spot price. Futures are price locked in the future delivery. Yeah, so like it's like the anticipation of what the market is, essentially. Damn, bro, we in this together. Don't worry. Yeah, sweet, brother. At the end of the day, it's just about managing the position, right? Managing the loss potential. Dude. Oh, TikTok on the crazy freaking numbers now. What up, what up? Bro, every time I take an L, TikTok fucking just goes, you know what, let's just get everyone to look at his fucking stream now. Is that trading view now? This is Topstep X. I've been in this for 3 years and haven't been paid even once. Do you use funded accounts or your own personal capital? Two minutes over here. Would definitely like a little bit more volume. Let's have faith we are not taking an L. Nah, I'm fine. Like I go into this with the mindset of I'll probably take an L here, but when or if I do, let's see how well I can manage it and lose less than I anticipated. Because if I'm looking to take, you know, 2 trades a day and one of them is like a $200 loss, I know my wins are like going to be like 500. So all I need is one win to kind of cover up 2 losses. And yeah, it's all good over here. Yeah, would like this candle to kind of close below some of this shit over here for sure. For sheezy. TikTok views. Bro, you know what? I'm just going to try to lose because that's when all the freaking views come in. Are you with Topstep? Yeah. 100k count over here. I got a minute here. Let's see what's up. I got to think if it closes small body, I might just close 50% straight away, or even the whole thing. And yeah. All right, so if this flips green, I'll close the whole position. Because like I said earlier, the ideology behind entering in this trade, I just closed it there. The ideology behind entering this trade is anticipating that volume that we initially got, but continuing, right? What happened? It went down and we got the volume that was anticipated, but it rejected. Why would I want to stay in a trade that didn't continue to move the direction that I anticipated? So I just saved myself potentially a lot of money. And if I didn't, just say this closes like this, and then the next one continues down, I'm okay with that because I'm being smart about my trade. And if I be smart now, I'm embedding that idea, that mindset for later on. I've said it from the start of this stream. I'm going to, here's the thing, you guys. If this candle, I could anticipate a buy over here in a minute. Again, I keep saying it, but we know that trends move in zigzags, right? And if I'm anticipating this zigzagging down, what if I get one of the pullbacks up before the continuation down? I know what I look for that, so let's just see how this prints. The only reservation is this is a 4-hour closure on Forex. What funded account and how do they work? 100K, you pass challenge, they give you access to account. Profits you make, you get 85%. There's an order block at something. Yeah, I don't know, order blocks. Dino, good job, mate. Thanks, bro. Yeah. Risk management, man. And like I said, if it does go down, cool. But what was represented to me was a lack of volume. 2 smaller candles. I'll save myself there at a break-even trade. Yeah, it's a small loss, but that was pretty much a break-even trade, right? This will flip red and fill the wick. Maybe. I don't want to be a part of that, though. That's all. And if it does push down, there's a party that's like, oh, that kind of sucks. But I know what I'm doing in my mind is hardening it to stick to a set of rules, because I know in the long run, those small wins save you in the long run. Mingle, you're still in? Yeah, good shit, bro. Stay in, bro. Like, if it's according to your plan, definitely stay in. It wasn't for me, so I took it a BE pretty much. Definitely the mindset to have. Yeah, thanks, Elvis. I think that's the mindset to have as well. Because here's the thing. Another opportunity is most likely going to present itself in a minute, so let's just wait. I never truly understood funded. How do the companies make the money from giving you the funded? I'll tell you exactly how. Everyone, listen to this. This is the most important thing you're ever going to hear. Because your question is, how do they make the money? Only 2% of traders ever get to the first payout. And I think it's 1% get to the second payout. So all the traders out there that are buying and spending thousands of dollars on people on funded accounts, they're all failing before they could ever take some money back from the company. So that's how the company makes money. Yes, there's a select few traders that can get in and actually withdraw money out, but it's so minute that the overall scheme is that these companies make money from failed traders. And you might hear that and think, oh man, 2%, that's so low. But you've got to understand that this isn't a world of retards, really. Like, there's a lot of just dumb kids that are buying these challenges because they're trying to get rich. It's not because there's a bunch of like dedicated traders trying to smash it and really like make profits and, make this something that can impact their life in a really positive way. It's a lot of just retards. Like, oh, I'll buy a 200K account and just try and get rich. It's like, bro, now you're a statistic. So don't get discouraged by hearing 2%. I'll be honest, man. Yeah, if this closes, If this closes like basically how it is right now, and the next one wicks down and pushes, okay, I'll anticipate a push up. I'll take a buy there. After this closure, I mean. Yeah, double tap the live, yo. Double tap the live, man. Dino said from us. Yeah, pretty much from us. Any tips for a new trader? What should I use to learn the market? I think if you're a new trader, don't worry about learning the market. Learn the market. It depends what level you are. Just learn about candlesticks, really. Really try to understand what candlesticks mean. Dexter, morning, bro. What up, my G? What up? It's afternoon here, but morning for you. What is up? Thank you for all the likes and follows too, TikTok. You guys are wild, man. It's my 4th ever stream here, so it's just been crazy, bro. It's been crazy. But it's been amazing at the same time, just to see all these traders. Oh, somebody said they got into an hour order block after a break of structure. So we've got to remember this 4-hour candle is about to close over here. Very strong candle. Very strong candle. Oh, look at that. That just... yeah, that would have taken me out if I stayed in that trade. Do you think news will affect today? Yes. But it's not for another 5 hours or so. Daniel, try to learn reversal trading. I don't know what you mean by that. I don't need to learn any like type of thing. Like I already have a strategy and like 4 to 5 entry models that work within that strategy. So I literally just, you know what I do? I sit down and just wait until I see those exact things. That's all. Cool. I have 4 to 5 things that I need to see, and I just sit down and look for that. And if I see that, I enter. And it predominantly revolves around support and resistance levels. Ooh, I don't know what time news is in the UK. If you go on a website called Forex Factory, and it will most likely already like be, you know, aligned with your time frame where you are. So yeah. Or you could just take note that it is in exactly 3.5 hours. It's in exactly 3.5 hours. There you go. Ethan said 12:30 p.m. UK. People talking about reversals. I am seeing some sort of nice potential opportunity over here. Like really nice, to be honest. The only reservation I have is the fact that the 4 hours is about to close on Forex. But I talked about it before. Like on a pullback, look, this one. Oh, TikTok, you can't see. So check this out for a potential pullback. This candle pushed down. This candle pushed down with a bigger body. This candle pushed down with a smaller body and left a decent wick. This candle pushed all the way down, rejected all the way off, closed with a smaller body, bullish. Now this candle's here, opening up. It's left a new lower, higher low, and it's open. It's potentially closing with a bigger body than the one prior. Like this is a perfect setup for me to catch an entry, but I just need to wait for this candle to close. That's all. Do you have a personal trading account or just focus on funded? I just focus on funded right now. And at some point, build a bit more of a backup of funded profits and then trade both. But I'm just not there yet. just not there yet. Yeah. Buy or sell, wait is what we do. We've got 5 minutes for this closure here. The 4 hours closing in 5 minutes. The 1 hour is closing in 5. Everything's closing here in 5 minutes, guys. A lot of candles are closing here in 5 minutes. This one's kind of hit a big rejection zone. Sort of. It didn't kind of get right down there. So that entry that I took on that sell was kind of anticipating exactly this big wick to bounce off this rejection zone, but I didn't care if it was going to bounce off because I had my take profit there. It went halfway and was like, nah, I don't want to go all the way. See you later, and bounce back. So we're getting a few confluences over here on the higher time frame for some sort of reversal entry, but I just need to wait for candles to close to get that signal properly. Thanks for the follows on TikTok. You guys are jeez. Yeah, MT4 is all good in Australia. Someone said it's something about Bitcoin. Let's have a real quick look at Bitcoin. BTC, USD. This is the 4 hour chart. Oh, yeah. So it's broke out of that channel and it's just pushing. Is this at all-time highs? Is that all-time highs, right? Bro, Bitcoin's at all-time highs. Is it? Oh, shit. No, yeah, it is. Fuck me. All these crypto people are going to be ejaculating everywhere. Look, it just tapped into all-time highs. Oh, all the crypto people are like, I told you, motherfuckers, hold in. I told you needed to hold. It's like, yeah, we know, bro. Fucking, it's too late for us. We're losers. We're going to be broke forever. God damn it. 78 is highs. Yeah, but isn't that what I just looked at? All-time highs? Where the fuck is 78's up here? But look, this chart is showing that this is the weekly chart. So each candle is an entire week. We're basically at all-time highs, right? But this is, yeah, I don't know. It's not too late to buy Bitcoin. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I'm all right. Pappy Trader, I don't know what you mean there. Dusty, it looks like it did a little bit of some sort of rejection, right? All right, 2 minutes for this 15, 2 minutes for the 4 hour, 30 and 1 hour closure. Big wicks left here on the 1 hour. Let's just be patient and see if this can close just like that and wick down on the next one, bro. I'll actually put a bit of I'll actually add a bit of size to this position. On gold, what do you think about the election next week? It's obviously gonna stir up a lot of volume. Let's see if we can capitalize on it. That's really as simple as that. There's no like, oh, this is going to happen or that's going to, who knows? But let's just see. There's obviously going to be volume. Let's just see what we can do with it, right? Do you use the fact that London take the height and the low of Frankfurt? I don't know what you mean, brother. Sorry. I don't know what you... Oh, bro. Due to inactivity. What is going on? What the fuck? TikTok's gone again, I think. Is TikTok gone? No? Oh, it's still there. Oh, thank fuck. It just came up again, still due to inactivity. What does that mean? I've got to figure that out. It's the exact same thing it said last time. But it seems like I was able to click some sort of button when it came up this time. Alright, thank God. Raymond, tap the likes. Yeah, tap the likes, gang. Come on, man. Let's get this up. Ooh. Because this candle's about to close and we're about to freaking go full margin on a buy. So Get the likes up, get the follows up. You guys are the best. I'm from Brisbane, Australia, George. Oh, thank you for the like, guys. I can see that ship going crazy. No, I want to trade props and personals together at some point. Yeah, I want to get them together at some point. But right now, I'm just trying to build a backup of props. All right, I love what I'm seeing here. I like that wick. I just need to give it a second. Give it at least a minute. You need to give it a minute. I would never enter a trade within the first minute. If it leaves without me, I just have to say, see you later. You know, fair play. Because check this out as well, guys. This is a all right, check this out for overall confluences. We know on the high time frames, this is a high rejection zone. We came down, the bodies got smaller, then it flipped green. It created a new lower low, a new lower low, a higher low, another higher low, higher high, higher high, bigger body, smaller body. And then I'm anticipating this to continue up with a bigger body, take a buy right there. That's exactly what I'm looking at. There's a lot of things in my favor, so let's just see if it plays out. I'm going to put a buy stop right here, right now. Buy stop, 15 lots, minis or whatever. And then I'm going to add another 10 minis. Anticipating this to flip back up, guys. So now I can see the views are coming in hot. So you guys get to watch me lose with the most amount of viewers. People are in a sell over here. Nice, nice. Yeah, I'm just waiting for a potential flip over here now. I'm waiting for a potential flip. $16K likes. You guys are wild. I think you mean micros, is it? Yeah. Like I said, I've only recently switched to futures from Forex, so as long as you stick to your rules, it's not losing. Tommy Lee, you win the comment of the fucking year. And I'm not being a dick. That is it, bro. That is it. If you take an L but you stuck to all your rules, you're a G. Like, you did the thing, man. You showed up and you did the job of sticking to your rules. Because maybe it didn't work out this time, but in the long run, sticking to your rules makes you profitable. Not breaking your rules and getting a cheap win. You don't want to get a cheap win. Like, oh, I got a win there, but it was a bit risky, right? You're building a bad habit. Think about it like this. Your conscious keeps tabs on everything you do in life. Everything. So the more you break your own rules, your conscious is like, oh, interesting. Okay. Like, when you're in a fucking, a psychologist meeting, they're like, tell me more. And they're like taking notes. That's what your conscience is doing. Oh, okay. You broke your rules, right? Oh, FOMO got you. Okay. Yeah. He entered on FOMO. Little bitch. Yep. Oh, what else? Oh, you took a loss. So you upped your size because you wanted to get the money back. Interesting. Yep. He's a little bitch. Right. So your conscious is keeping tabs on everything. So even if you lose, you stuck to your rules. That's what's up. Daniel Holmes, what are you trading? This is gold, my G. Gold on futures, 100K challenge, 100K Topstep challenge account. Thoughts on QFS? Don't know anything, brother. Sorry. All I know is gold in this strategy for gold. Oh no, TikTok. Oh, you still there? No, it's not. Fucking hell, bro. Why is it doing that? YouTube, I'm going crazy over here. I'm gonna have to enter one more time into fucking. I'll do it one more. I'll do one last thing, but that's it. Dan, wait for a new hot lower high. Mm. Yeah, I've really got to sort that out, man. That's so annoying. I really have to sort that out. All right, looks like I'm about to get triggered in here. Looks like I'm about to get triggered in. Don't show this tip again. Yes. Did you buy it in? It's about to hit my buy. Oh, I'm in now. So I'll put my... bro, it keeps kicking me out. It's so frustrating. It keeps kicking me out. So I'm going to put my take profit somewhere up here. And that's what's up. I've stuck to my rules perfectly. I really like this trade idea. And now I'm in it. Right? I'm sorry, you guys. Yeah, I got booted again. I really have to figure that out with TikTok, because it's just when it's like getting the most viewers. It's like over 100 people watching, and then I just get kicked. So it's just like, it's pretty rough. What's this range here? Yeah, it's a pretty good range. I'll have my thing open to be ready to take off, potentially like half, 50%. But yeah, that's what's up, bro. Back. Yeah, I got freaking kicked again. I don't know why. I do not know why, but I've got to figure it out. That's why, you guys, if you're not following, you got to drop a follow, because I'll randomly get kicked, and then you got to you'll find me on the. You'll find me over there. I'm in gold. I just took a buy position, and we're just watching it over here. I'm just trying to stay alert to manage the position if it starts to go against me too much. Yeah, but I don't know if it's about writing something on the screen. It keeps saying due to inactivity. Maybe you got to tap the phone screen periodically. Do you reckon? No, because I'm doing it through a computer, so it would know that it's a computer. Yeah, I don't know. But all I do know is this trade right here is completely in accordance to my rules. It is a beautiful setup. It might not work. It really might not work. But I think that is purely probabilities, right? I think this is a beautiful trade in accordance to my plan. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But I know that I completely stuck to my rules, and I'm really happy with this for an entry. Is there a micro for gold? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'm in a buy, bro. Bye, bro. Just before I got triggered in, TikTok freaking kicked me. They're on. Do you know what it is? It's the Matrix, bro. They're coming after me. I'm Andrew Tate. Came from TikTok. Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. In YouTube. Yeah, you guys, I'm on YouTube as well on a big screen there. If you don't like watching shit on TikTok, just write Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. It's not 25 lots. It's 100K count, and this is 25 minis. I think mini contracts. I think it's called, or micro contracts. So my stop loss, my loss limit is 470, and my take profits around like $1,000, to be honest. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, and with the stop loss, like my stop loss limit is 475. But I'll look to manage the drawdown to try to lose maybe 400 instead. Where do you think it'll reach? No one knows, bro. I don't try to predict that kind of stuff. I just try to get my little scalp. Do you have spread with your broker? I don't, but I have slippage, bro. So when I switched to futures, I was like, fuck yeah, spread's dope. There's no spread, but there's a lot of slippage. It's pretty much the same thing. Hi from South Africa. What up, what up, what up? Drop a follow if you're not already. Drop a follow if you're not already, man. We streaming every day over here. No, I don't use trailing stops. I might look to like take partials on the way up type shit. J Pre shared the live. What a G, what a G. Thank you, bro. Yeah, this is my third time. TikTok keeps kicking me. The Matrix is after me, bro. They know we're trying to get profits out here, so third time's a charm. When the viewers at a peak as well. You on the 15? Yeah, I'm on the 15, bro. Was chasing my losses yesterday as I'm a new trader, but I have learnt my lesson and have rules that I will follow from now on. AT games, the best thing I've ever heard, man. Good shit. That's the exact mindset you need, man. 100%. And here's the thing. You're probably going to make the mistake again. Like, it's just what it is. And that's okay. You just have to keep learning. Like, trading will just keep teaching you shit the hard way until you really just kind of, you go, you know what, fuck it, I gotta fucking just figure this shit out and actually figure it out. What do we got? 4 minutes over here for this candle. Are you trading Raja Bank style? Raja Banks, yeah, in some instances, it's very similar to Raja. I don't think he would take an entry like this though. I've got to look at where I'm potentially going to take partials off my loss. Why don't you stream on YouTube? I'm on YouTube streaming right now as well, bro. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. Yeah, so I've got something up here to take off 50% if it starts to withdraw too much. Yeah, thanks, bro. Thanks, dude. I appreciate the streams, learning a little bit. Yeah, fuck yeah, that's awesome, man. I'm glad to hear. Very glad to hear. 2.5, 3 minutes here. Getting some sort of pullback. Let's see what the 30 looks like. Yeah. Yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm in this trade. This trade was like a really nice one in accordance to my plan, but probabilities, sometimes it might not play out, so let's just see how it goes. If I take an L here, I'll be done for the day. It's been to be honest, it's been a pretty rough day on the charts for me, and I've been conscious of that and just tried to stay patient and just stick to my rules regardless of the losses and things like that. So I think some days you're just going to have this, and it is what it is. You trade before news? Yeah, news isn't still for like 3.5 hours, so... That's trading, bro. No one can win every trade. Legit, man. It's just what it is. Like, sometimes it's just probabilities. Today's been pretty rough price action. Like, not to say that you try to predict the market, but things that you would kind of be like, oh, you know, it's kind of going to potentially play out like this. It just doesn't. And, yeah, it's just been one of those days, and that's okay. I'll just have to suck it up, right? I've got a minute over here. Volume's not really where I want it. I'll look to take off 50% here in a minute. What you think's going to happen at the news? Have no idea, bro. I don't think anyone has any idea. We just have to wait and see. Trading before news could be why you lose. Yeah, but news isn't for another 3.5 hours. If it was like an hour or so before news, then yeah, I would be like, yeah, it's a terrible idea, but still got a bit of time. And also, it's NFP week, bro. It's a rough week. NFP week is a tough week, man. Tough week. Yeah, pretty ugly flip right there. Yeah, that was not good. So my stop just got hit there, but yeah, it just didn't play out. It looks like on the 30, it's just created some sort of support for a continuation down potentially. You could look at it that way now. Before, you could look at it a different way. Stuck to my rules, did my thing. I'm done for the day. Been a rough day for me, I'm not going to lie. I haven't had that like consistent couple of losses. I lost in Asia and I lost twice here in London. Rough day. And I'll show you, like there's a little button, you can't see it here, but I'll click the button that says just lock you out for the day. Right? Even though I'm exhausted, I have no intentions of trading anymore today, I'll still lock myself out. I don't want to see any like kind of FOMO setups, and yeah, it's just been one of those days. But I'll be back tomorrow. I will be back tomorrow for NFP and just keep showing up, right? Can't win every day. Cannot win every day. I said before I entered this that this is exactly what I would like to see for an entry. Right? As long as I did that, I can't be pissed. I can't be pissed. The only thing I can be pissed off is like, ah, damn, I would have liked to get that win, obviously. You want to add more to your account. And I'm also on stream. I'm like, oh, you know, you're on stream, but it is what it is. It is what it is. What happened to your long? Bro, you trying to rub salt in or some shit? Oh, fuck. You win some, you lose some. As long as you get back to the saddle tomorrow, bro. That's exactly right. That's exactly right. I don't know if you guys know Tom Hogard, but he has a book. I read his book. It's called The Best Losers Win. Right? Your ability just to take a L like a fucking professional is crucial. So, take an L today. It's all good. Come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow and get a win. What book, mate? It's called The Best Loser Wins. Great book. Great book. I'd highly suggest that one. How long are you already trading? I'm done, brother. I've been on here for 2 and a bit hours. I had a shocker yesterday. I had first good trade, gave it all back. Yeah. Steady darts. Thanks, brother. Thank you. Yep, there you go. Best loser wins, Tom Hogard. But yeah, I'm gonna have to journal these trades now. Like I showed you guys the other day. Got a journal over here. Got a journal over here and just kind of go through and journal the trades, really. Analyze it, see if there's anything I missed. When did you start journaling your trade? Oh, I've been journaling for a long time. Journaling the trades for a long time. But yeah, that's what's up. That is what's up. Tried to enter on 2 of my genuine setups and just didn't work out today. Just didn't work out today. Isaac, rainbow formation. What the flip is a rainbow formation? It is what it is. That's it, brother. That's it. So I'm just hanging out for a sec. Let's just chill for 1 minute here. Digest the loss and just watch how the market plays out. I'm just curious to see, like, it's okay. Like I anticipated something, it didn't play out. Now I just kind of want to see what it did instead. Abraham, what what the current beat called, please? Oh, it's like kind of a mixture of some, but I think one of the main artists, her name is Purple Cat on YouTube. Are you buying, bro? Nah, bro, I just took a L on a buy, so I'm just watching for a minute over here and just digesting, seeing what you guys are saying, seeing if anyone got a trade. It wasn't a bad trade, bro. I think the stop loss should have been slightly lower, and the last... Yeah, that's true, but the only thing is over here, Ali, is my trade's invalid. As soon as this candle here... Hang on, let me move this over here. I entered right here on this candle, right? Right there. It went up, put me in profit, but flipped. As soon as it flipped now and has closed bearish, whether it goes up now or not, I don't give a shit. Like, the trade's invalid. If it hit my stop loss, the trade is invalid. And if this flipped and closed bearish, the trade's invalid. Whether this one flips up and goes or not, the trade's invalid because this closed bearish, right? Yeah, that's the only thing for me. But yeah, what a tricky day. What a little tricky day over here. Look at this range we kind of got caught in. I got to be honest, like, whoever's got any clean positions here today through Asia or London, good on you, man, because it's been very tough market conditions, I believe. Like, there's been a couple of clean moves, like here. That was the one I was looking at on stream, and I could have taken it, but I just didn't tick enough boxes. Very interesting. Manpreet, 76 got clipped twice on my chart, going up from there. Kush said he made $700, but that's been dead as fuck, bro. If you got $700 out of today or Asia, good shit, man, because it's been rough for me, at least. And just like the market conditions a bit kind of choppy. So I'm just hanging out here for a minute, just kind of watching, digesting a bit. Thank you guys for the hearts and things, like the roses and that. And the follows, you guys on TikTok, drop a follow. I'll be live streaming every day here during the London session. NFP tomorrow, I'll jump on for NFP. Faraz in YouTube, I'm still in a buy. Okay. Faraz is still in a buy over here, so let's... It became invalid for me, so I'm out, but I'm hoping for you, man. That's good shit. Laser had 2 small 10 pip wins today. Okay, good stuff. There's some people over here that got some good wins. Kush, I'm in longs for a quick snipe. Okay. So a few people are still holding longs over here. I closed mine, but yeah, okay. Yep, AT Games is in longs. There's clear, like you can see here as well, like, and this is another confluence that I took a buy because... Oh shit, I don't know what happened here. Because this is a heavy 30-minute rejection zone as well. So if I took a buy off this 30-minute rejection zone, that was another confluence of the buys. But yeah, it just didn't work out. And that's alright. That is alright. Just hanging out here for a bit. Should I stay in buys? Trust your analysis, my G. I don't know. I'm out. Mine became invalid, but that's based on my set of rules. But put it this way, the losses that I took today, which I've taken 3 trades today, and they've all been losses. I've managed the drawdown on most of them. Okay, that happened, right? Tomorrow I could come back and in one win, take all those losses back in one trade, right? So yeah, it sucks today, but tomorrow it can be better. I can take one trade, get all my wins back tomorrow, and then take a second trade tomorrow and be in profit again. That's kind of how the game works, all right, right? So even if I have a 50-50 win rate, my wins are bigger than my losses, so I can kind of balance it out. You still live? Yeah, I'm still live. I'm just kind of hanging out for a minute here, digesting my losses and seeing what some of you guys have seen and seeing what you guys are doing. Christian Stevenson, are you up? I've taken some losses here on the stream, brother. I've taken some losses today. So that's what's happening over here with me. This is my third time streaming on TikTok. It keeps fucking kicking me, so I'll hopefully sort that out by tomorrow. And yeah, I'll look for a trade in London session tomorrow, and I might take a gamble on NFP as well, just for a bit of entertainment. What's your RR? So my RR is subjective. I'll move my stop loss and break, and my take profit. So I don't have a set RR. I usually like to have it in a range where I can put my stop loss initially 18 pips above. That's like my max, and my take profit, 25 pips or so. And then once I'm starting to get into profit, then I'll move my stop loss. So then what's the RR? Infinite. I'll move my stop loss to break even or something. Oh, somebody's spamming some sort of thing in here in the chat. So I'm going to wait for this candle to close, and then I'll call it a day. Thank you, everyone that's been here, Bart. Thank you, guys. Let's just see what happens over here. What crypto is the one you're investing in? Laser said meme coins. Yeah, he's probably better to ask than me. I don't participate in crypto. I don't participate in crypto. Solana. Oh. All right, gang. Love yous all. Like I said, yeah, been a rough day for me. Manage my trades, manage my emotions to some degree. Come back tomorrow and potentially make it all back in one trade. So, love yous all. I'll see you tomorrow, and best of luck.